Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm about to take you on a sweet journey. Literally, we're diving into the world of honey. Ever wondered how that golden drizzle ends up in your tea or smoothie? Let's unlock the buzz behind honey's incredible journey and why it's so good for you. So picture this, a field bursting with colorful flowers. This is where it all begins. Bees, those tiny, hard-working superstars, zip from flower to flower, sucking up nectar with their straw-like tongues. They store it in their honey stomachs. Yes, bees have a special tummy just for honey. Once they're full, they hurry back to the hive, where the real magic happens. Inside, they pass the nectar mouth to mouth to other bees, gradually turning it into thick, sweet honey. It's teamwork at its finest. Now, harvesting honey is both an art and a science. Beekeepers put on their protective suits, smoke the hive gently to calm the bees, and carefully remove the honeycombs. The honeycomb frames are taken out, and the wax caps that seal each cell are sliced off. Then, those frames go into a spinner, called an extractor, which whirls the honey out. It's strained, bottled, and ready for you to enjoy. But a quick tip. If you're thinking about harvesting your own honey, always wear the right gear and work with an experienced beekeeper. Safety first. But honey isn't just delicious. It's packed with health benefits too. Raw honey is loaded with antioxidants, which help fight off those nasty free radicals in your body. It's also antibacterial and antifungal, making it a great natural remedy for sore throats and minor wounds. Plus, honey can soothe a cough, boost your energy, and even help with digestion. And let's not forget, it's a natural sweetener that's way better than refined sugar. To get the best out of honey, go for local, raw varieties. You'll get all the nutrients and support local bees at the same time. So next time you dip your spoon into a jar of honey, remember the amazing journey it took, from blooming flowers to buzzing bees and finally to your kitchen. And every drop, it's pure sweet health. Thanks for joining me on this honey adventure. If you learned something new, hit that like button and share your favorite way to enjoy honey in the comments below. Stay sweet and stay healthy.